what I wish I knew about Malaysia's EV future instead of just another car. This proposal is electrifying. Puchong MP Yobi Yin has a bold plan to supercharge electric vehicle adoption in Malaysia. She proposes making EV charging stations part of the national grid. Why? Because it solves the classic chicken and egg problem. No one buys EVs without charging stations, and no one builds charging stations without EVs on the road. Yo suggests that Tenaga Nasional Bhd (TNB) should fund the installation of these stations through their 2025 to 2027 budget, leveraging economies of scale to lower costs. It's projected that building 10,000 stations would cost Rm 585 million, a fraction of TNB's total capital expenditure. The impact? Huge. More charging stations mean more EVs, leading to a cleaner, greener Malaysia. And that's not all. Yo is also pushing for a Lehman Law to protect car buyers from faulty vehicles, ensuring better quality and after-sales service. So, could this be the spark that ignites Malaysia's EV revolution? We think it's a big yes. What about you?